हेलो स्टूडेंट्स, आज हम अपनी एनवायरमेंटल केमिस्ट्री की इस ई क्लास में सॉइल पोल्यूशन के बारे में पढ़ेंगे। अब जब हम सॉइल पोल्यूशन की बात करते हैं तो सबसे पहले हम इसके इंट्रोडक्शन को देखते हैं और कंट्रोल इसके सॉइल पोल्यूशन के कंट्रोल के बारे में हम बात करेंगे या इसके बारे में पढ़ेंगे कि कौन कौन से अप्रोचेस हैं जिसके द्वारा इसको हम कंट्रोल कर सकते हैं। तो सबसे पहले कि इनका अगर हम इसके बारे में बात करें सॉइल पोल्यूशन की, तो with the rapid pace of industrialization and increasing population density, numerous pollutants have posed a serious threat on living organism. Extensive solid waste and the use of etc. have put the interest of agriculture and aquaculture cross purposes. And now, control of soil pollution. The various approaches used to control soil pollution are listed below. Some examples of the type of यूज़ जो कि हम इसमें यूज़ कर रहे हैं इनको कंट्रोल करने के लिए। फर्स्ट वन इज़ द प्लांटेशन ऑफ ट्रीज़, रिसाइकलिंग ऑफ ट्रीज़, कंजर्वेशन ऑफ सॉइल, ट्रांसफॉर्मिंग इंटेंसिव एग्रीकल्चर। ये कुछ एग्जांपल्स हैं जिनके द्वारा कि हम इनके सॉइल पोल्यूशन को कुछ मात्रा में या कुछ हद तक हम इसका कंट्रोल कर सकते हैं। तो फर्स्ट वन इज़ प्लांटेशन ऑफ ट्रीज, लॉन्चिंग एक्सटेंसिव एफॉरेस्टेशन एंड कम्युनिटी फॉरेस्ट्री प्रोग्राम एज वेल एज इम्प्लीमेंट डिटरेंट मेजर्स अगेंस्ट डिफॉरेस्टेशन कैन कंट्रोल सॉइल पोल्यूशन। अगर हम इसको डिफॉरेस्टेशन कैन कंट्रोल सॉइल पोल्यूशन to a large extent. Grass, the nature burns, acts as a powerful weapon against soil erosion. It can trap sleet and prevent it from washing away. Recycling of trees in the computer age of shrinking landfill space and growing concern about solid waste disposal, recycling of trees have been used as underwater to help stem and erosion of beaches and local marshes. The potted trees can be replanted in green belt areas to control soil pollution. तो ये है रिसाइकलिंग ऑफ ट्रीज का। अदर मेजर इंक्लूडेड कंजर्वेशन ऑफ सॉइल टू प्रिवेंट द conservation of soil to prevent the loss of precious topsoil from erosion and to maintain it in the fertile state of agriculture purposes, and transformation intensive agriculture into a sustainable system by measures such as first one is maintaining a healthy soil community in order to regenerate soil fertility by providing organic manners, increasing fallow periods, avoiding excessive use of chemical fertilizers, banning the use of highly toxic and resistant pesticides or regulating their use only for special purpose under thorough monitoring, and influencing biodiversity in agriculture by showing mixed crops and crop rotation. मतलब कि बायोडाइवर्सिटी एग्रीकल्चर की शोइंग मिक्स्ड क्रॉप एंड क्रॉप रोटेशन से भी हम इसको सॉइल पोल्यूशन को रोक सकते हैं। And sponsoring more intensive R&D efforts in biofertilizers, microbial disgradation of waste, utilization of waste by recovery, reusing and recycling solid waste, surface safer treatment and disposal of hazardous wastes, and effective treatment of domestic waste by suitable biological and chemical methods, and adopting modern techniques of Sludge disposable municipal wastes have a property collected by segregation threads and disposed scientifically. Recycling of glass, paper, and plastic should be done carefully. यानी recycling of glass, paper, and plastic should be done carefully. And industrial wastes have to properly treated at source by segregation of waste or adopting integrated waste treatment methods. Proper care should be taken in the treating heavy metals wastes and other obnoxious wastes. Security landfills have to be constructed for permanent disposal of hazardous and recurrent industrial wastes. Enforcing environment audit for industries and promoting eco-labeled products. Implementing strict and proactive population control programs. Formulation of stricter pollution control actions and effective implementation with powerful administrative machinery. Imparting informal and formal public awareness program to educate people at large regarding health hazards and undesirable effect due to environmental pollution. Mass media, educational institution and voluntary agencies should be involved to achieve their objectives. मीन्स कि हम यूँ कह सकते हैं कि मास मीडिया, educational institutions and voluntary agencies should be involved to achieve their objectives. Extending market support for recoverable products through fiscal concessions. Effective measures of prevent soil pollution. Utilization of domestic structures, the dried structure moistures containing 20% enriched in NTP. The structure acts as a good means and efficient soil conditioner. The effect from the stabilization ponds can be profitably utilized for irrigations of physicals. This recycling of human waste minimize the spread of disease, control soil pollution, and bring revenue in the form of fuel, feed, fertilizers. Utilization of sewage gases. Sewage gases, a mixture of methane, carbon dioxide, and H2S, is utilized in advanced cities. Methane can be separated out, compressed, and filled in cylinders, and use of agency's source H2S can dissociate into H2 and S by microwaves in a microwave reactors. Sulfur vapors are condensed and collect as liquid. H2 is recycled and other impurities are converted into CO2 and H2O.